How to create a token on Dexscreener Moonshot. How to create a token on Dexscreener Moonshot. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to create a token on Dexscreener Moonshot. This platform makes it easy to launch your own tokens. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Dexscreener website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, we need to create one. Once you're logged in, look for the Moonshot section in the main menu and click on it to access the token creation tools. In the Moonshot section, you see an option that says Create Token. Click on this to begin the token creation process. Now, you'll need to fill in the required details for your new token. This includes the token name, symbol, total supply, and any other specific parameters. Make sure all the information is accurate, as it can be changed later. Depending on your preferences, you might have options to set transaction fees, reflections, or liquidity settings. Adjust these settings according to your token intended use. Once you've entered all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything. Ensure that all the information is correct to avoid any issues after the token is created. After reviewing, look for the Create or Launch button. Click it to confirm the creation of your token. You might be prompted to approve the transaction using your connected wallet. Once you submit the creation request, wait for a confirmation message indicating that your token has been successfully created. This may take a few moments. And that's how to create a token on Dexscreener Moonshot. So if you're now ready to launch your own token, get into the crypto market. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.